Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi, and I'm excited to actually make a meal plan based on foods that we want, not just out of my pantry. We rocked last week's challenge, but I'm excited to get back in the store, get a normal week of groceries, and it's St. Patty's Day, and I'm making corned beef in the crock pot. I'm making Reubens for myself 3 days in a row, and I'm making different meals for my family, but that's how much I like Reubens. I haven't made them in a few years, but I'm doing it this year and I'm very excited. So let's get into the store, see what they got, and get all the goodies. And don't forget, at the end, I'll be sharing with you my meal plan for the week, and any recipes I use or mention will be linked below. Let's go. Okay, first thing on my list, I need the veggie round crackers. Elsie wants these in her lunch with pepper jack cheese. They're $2.49. This is one of my favorite lunches to pack because it's easy. She just takes a sleeve and eats them until they're gone throughout the week. She's 13, so she can handle refilling it, and I just cut the cheese. Elsie was not a fan of those, but we're gonna go back to the brownies. She always likes these, $1.89. We're gonna have walking tacos, except for in a bowl, and I have the chili cheese corn chips, $1.85. My family loves these. Great easy dinner when I have Reubens. A couple weeks ago, I got English muffins for my husband. He didn't ask for them, but he loved having them around. He finished the whole thing, and I'm gonna get more for him. The thing he makes the most is he toasts these and puts peanut butter and jelly on them. Okay, I don't know why, but I thought at the grand opening that these were something my Aldi didn't have, but now that I notice them there, we have them here. Matt already ate the bag, so I'll have to keep that in mind and let him know that we have them here. Mila wants to start having avocado toast for breakfast in the morning, so I'm gonna get some Italian bread. This is what she likes it on, $3.59. This will also be good for the spaghetti dinner. Kelvin wants me to make him a sandwich for his lunch this week, so we're gonna use hamburger buns, $1.45, and then I'm also just getting plain white bread, $1.39. We are having Greek bowls for dinner this week, so I'm getting pita to go with it. Sometimes I do pita chips, but this week we're gonna do pitas, and maybe I'll put the Greek bowls right in here. If you do corned beef and cabbage, cabbage is a great price, 45 cents a pound, and it looks delicious. Strawberries are $1.79. Now Elsie's having the dried strawberries in her lunch, but Mila and Cal both wanted strawberries, so I'm actually gonna get 4 packs of these at $1.79. I was gonna get banana, but I guess not. Hopefully Meijer has these, and I remember. Mila also requested that I get a pineapple. This one looks pretty good, $2.29. I'm going to get cilantro at 79 cents and green onions at 95 cents, and these are gonna be good for walking tacos and crunch wraps. I'm also making a homemade salsa that I need the cilantro for. Mila's long-standing favorite, green apples. She likes to take these in her lunch, $3.49. I'm just getting one seedless cucumber for the Greek bowls, 95 cents. I think that's about the size of 3 other cucumbers. That's giant. I am out of red onion, which we need for the Greek bowls, $2.49. Matt did say he'd be interested in trying the non-fat Greek yogurt with the raspberry on the bottom, $2.55, so I'll report back what he thinks. I'm completely out of potatoes. I used those up last week, $3.99. I love to keep potatoes on stock, 10 pounds. Elsie and Cal want sliced peppers in their lunch. Those have been a hit lately, $2.69. I like to get a pack that has all 3 colors, but not at the sacrifice of getting the world's smallest red. So we'll get these ones. I also need jalapeno to make my salsa, and then we can just slice it for the meals, 85 cents. I need a can of crushed tomatoes for the homemade salsa, $1.49. I can't make Reubens without sauerkraut. Yummy, yummy, yummy. $1.49. Love Aldi's sauerkraut. Of course, I need avocados to make avocado toast. Hopefully I can have them ripe, but not too ripe, for breakfast this week, $2.95. Speaking of the English muffins that Matt liked, he ran out of peanut butter, $3.95. Thousand Island dressing for the Reubens, $1.95. Grape tomatoes for the Greek bowls, $1.99. One of my personal favorite parts of Greek bowls, the olives, $2.19. My vegetarian Mila, she is the one that uses this the most. She loves to put it on mashed potatoes. We all think it's funny that the vegetarian loves steak sauce, $1.89. Mila has been loving these protein bars. She keeps them in her duffel bag for track, $2.89. Now, I don't want to be a downer, but I was not a fan of this, but I will say I don't drink Poppy either, so it's just not something I'd pay this amount for. I just like regular pop. Probably not the greatest thing to admit, but it's true. I expected these to be marked down more than they are, but probably after St. Patrick's Day they will be. But they're marked down a little bit. They still have all their different stuff. This butter pound cake looks delicious. It's $3.29. They have some stuff marked down, but I'm walking away. I need none of it. So I'm in the Aldi Finds aisle, and all of the stuff has been here. I really have enjoyed coming here exclusively to look at Aldi Finds and sharing them when they come out, because there's so much less here at the beginning of the week than when it comes out on Mondays. So come back Wednesday. We'll see a newly refreshed stocked aisle, but this is pretty picked over at this point. One thing I did miss, and I didn't realize it until I was editing, is I missed all of these grooming tools. A de-shed rake. They're $4.99 a piece. It looks like there were 4 tools available, but we barely have any left. So the night cream I am out of, and I realize this is less expensive now because it's now in a plastic jar versus the glass. I'm guessing that's why it went down in price. It was the only thing that went down over a 4-year difference when I did the exact same haul on repeat, but it's $3.89. I love this stuff. Aldi also has a lifetime supply of cheese balls if you're in the market. But I stopped here to get my jasmine rice. I love this stuff. I've been buying it for 5 years. I keep it in my pantry. We are completely out, $5.89. I need 2 cans of Rotel for the homemade salsa, 95 cents a piece. And we are having crunch wraps, which I have those on hand, and I have tortillas on hand. So even though I am still getting new groceries this week, I am trying to use up more of what we have on hand. One of the meals that my family's having while I eat a Reuben is just plain old spaghetti. They love it. I don't. $1.89. We all win. I'm making potato pot pie. It's like chicken pot pie, but you put potatoes in it instead of chicken. I make it vegetarian, and I use vegetable stock instead of chicken broth, $1.55. So there's no luck on red sticker chicken breast. They do have chicken thighs, but I only make breasts because, well, my husband's picky. So I'm gonna get this for the Greek bowls. I'm trying to find a smaller pack, $6.56. I was a little worried they wouldn't have corned beef. They have very few left. I want the smallest piece possible. It's on sale for $3.99 a pound. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess this one, $12.52, is my smallest one. No complaints. Well, they don't have hot chocolate here anymore. My husband has been drinking hot chocolate and he ran out. I guess I have to hope to remember at Meijer. We have a lot of empty cupboards here, so we'll see if we can see anything new. There's a lot of different fish, I'm guessing for Lent season, clams. I'm not seeing too much new. They have spicy chicken patties. After the last time I bought spicy chicken patties, I think I will leave those behind. They have beef taquitos, but I've been burned before buying meat taquitos here, and then they do have beans in them, which my husband won't touch. So I'm gonna pass. The pizzas all look the same. They still have the carrot and zucchini. They have spaghetti over there, biscuit roll-ups, and pretty empty down here too. Gotta get the lemon water, $3.79. We really ran low on cheeses. I need mild cheddar, $2.09. I'm gonna get 2 pepper jacks so I don't run out for Elsie's lunches, $2.09 each. $1.85 for Swiss for the Reubens. Okay, so I can't make Greek bowls without getting one of my personal favorite things from here, the tzatziki, $3.19. I personally like the spinach and parmesan, and then of course I need to get feta, and that is $1.85. They don't have Mexi shredded, so I'm gonna get sharp cheddar for the crunch wraps and for the walking tacos, $2.79. Pie crust for my potato pot pies, $2.49. My vegetarian meal loves peas with spaghetti. It's like one of her favorite meals, so I'm gonna get that 97 cents. I'm gonna get cauliflower rice for the Greek bowls, $1.69, and also mixed veggies for the potato pot pie at 95 cents. My son absolutely loves the Texas toast, $2.29 to go with spaghetti night, and we also will have some of the Italian bread for that. And of course, Matt's favorite, $6.75, the vanilla ice cream. He put 2 things on the shopping list this week, peanut butter and this, which should go together too because he makes peanut butter shakes. Okay, here is everything. Any guess on the total? Nice. My corned beef, I didn't realize it wasn't discounted on the sticker, so it was less than $10, which makes me happy. My total is $133.26. Now let's head to Meijer. As I'm leaving, I see they still don't have the ALDI finds for next week out, but I looked online and there are some good ones for Easter baskets, so I'm excited to come back on Wednesday. So I am shopping Sunday night because I wanted the corned beef early in the morning so I could make my Reubens, and somehow between Aldi and Meijer, I have lost my list. Wish me luck. That happens on occasion. Okay, this kills me. I literally looked in the Meijer ad on my phone before I left to see if there were any fruit sales. I don't know, I missed this, or it's a last minute sale. I'm gonna get actually 3 more of these because at 99 cents, we'll have them with every meal and my kids will be delighted, but dang it all. Why did I just pay $1.79? That actually makes me very angry at me. Lemons are 67 cents. I just need 1 for the Greek chicken dressing that I make. Aldi was lacking, but Meijer has bananas for me. They're 55 cents a pound. Definitely not the same price, but I'll get these. Okay, I'm here to get rye bread. I was kind of hoping I'd say it at Aldi. I didn't, but I love the seeded rye, and it's on sale. Thank you, Meijer. I guess maybe that makes up for the strawberries because I didn't expect it to be on sale, but I love seeded rye bread, and you definitely need it for Reubens. Back in the beverage aisle. Beverages took up a lot of my limited budget last week, but I still didn't get as much as we probably could have drank. So Mia actually wanted me to see if they had Gatorade powder that she could have, but she wants 0 still. She actually said she'd be fine with like a smaller bin of this. I don't see that, but I do see these packets. The only flavors they have in 0 are the Glacier Freeze, the grape, and Glacier Cherry. I'm gonna get this for this week, and I think I can order orange online, but this is what she would like. She just doesn't want, instead of wasting buying the bottles, we can get 10 of them for $4.69. So she's gonna try this with her water bottle. I think she'll like this one, even if it's not the same as orange. Okay, these are on sale 3 for $8. I'm gonna end up getting 3 of them for lunches. So Cal likes the lemonade, but Elsie likes these. They're not on sale, so I'm just getting one, $2.99. Okay, I'm gonna get this for my husband. 8 packs of hot chocolate. They're out of the ones with marshmallows, but it's $1.99 opposed to $3.09. Okay, I'm super frustrated with myself because I forgot to get these at Aldi, but they're not that bad priced here. I actually can't even remember what they are at Aldi, but toaster pastries, $2.19. They're out of the bigger box of the brown sugar, so I'm gonna get just, oh my gosh, that drives me crazy. 20 cents more, you get half of this box. Ugh. Oh well, my fault. Brown sugar cinnamon, $2.19. It's been a long time since I've looked at name brand Pop-Tarts, but not gonna lie, that sounds pretty decent to me. I'm gonna get 3 of these. My kids like these as a pinch meal. My teens especially, a late night snack, and they're vegetarian, $1.19. No, I'm not restocking my cupboard. These go quick. Okay, here's everything I'm getting. Any guess on my total? I lied. I forgot. 2 things that were on my list popped in my head right before I checked out, so I have to go back and get them. They are easy sides for me to have with my Reubens. Since I'm making a complete other dinner for my family each night, I'm making easy sides. And they were actually suggested to me by someone on my email list of what they like to eat with Reubens. So I need to go get it now. Okay, so someone had suggested that they like to eat their Reubens with coleslaw and potato salad, and I thought that actually sounded delicious. So it's gonna make it easy for me to just have this with my Reubens and a simple side that I don't have to get ready for. They are each $3.59. Okay, so now I'm actually ready to check out. Any guess on my total here? Okay, my total here at Meijer is $39.64. Let's go home and see the meal plan. Okay, our meal plan for the week is here, but I did find my grocery list when I was unpacking the groceries. The only thing I missed was toothbrushes, which I'm gonna run out and get today because we do really need those, and then frozen bread dough, but I'm gonna just make homemade bread instead, so save me about $6. I knew I'd find it. Just too bad it wasn't before Meijer. Anyways, our meal plan for the week, Monday tonight, we're having crunch wraps. I'm having Reubens, which I'm going to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but none of my family will eat corned beef or potato salad or coleslaw, so I'm living the high life while they're going to have these easier meals that I won't miss. As I mentioned, we're taking a quick break from the meal plan because I want to show you, I already have my corned beef going. It's been in here for about an hour and a half already. And this is why I bought it yesterday, was so that I could have this going really early, low and slow all day. I very much look forward to this. Yum. So they're gonna have crunch wraps tonight. Tuesday, they're gonna have spaghetti. Again, my family loves this meal. It's too plain for me, not very exciting, but spaghetti noodles, jarred red sauce, frozen peas, and then the garlic bread, and also they could have bread, butter, cheese from the Italian loaf. Wednesday, walking tacos. This is basically a build your own taco bowl. So you put the Fritos at the bottom, and then you put beef or black beans, depending on who you are in my family. And then we'll have shredded cheese. We have the salsa con queso. We have salsa, lettuce, sour cream, all the things you could want on a taco. I am making a Spanish rice tonight, and then we'll have the leftovers. So there will be rice for those. Thursday, we're going to have chicken fried rice, and all of the things that I have for this meal are things that I have in my freezer. When I was doing my meal plan last week, I took a little note to myself to have this as another meal because I had more than just last week's worth of meals on hand. But this is fried rice that I sampled at Sam's Club, and it was really good. It's vegetarian. I'm going to make chicken on the side, and then we also have chicken egg rolls. But the fried rice itself will be vegetarian. Friday, we're going to get carry-out pizza and have salads. Basically a repeat of pizza and salads last week, and that went really well. We love pizza Fridays. Everyone's tired by the end of the week. It works well for the parents. Kids love it. Win, win, win. Saturday, I'm going to make potato pot pie. This is basically like a chicken pot pie, but I use veggie broth instead of chicken broth, and then instead of chicken, I use potato. I did link below to a vegetarian recipe, but really I just follow a chicken recipe and don't put chicken in it, and I don't use chicken broth. So I'll link to a complete vegetarian version, or I'll also link to a chicken version. And then Sunday, we're gonna make Greek bowls. So I bake onion and marinated chicken in the oven, and then you build your own bowl with rice, cauliflower rice, beets, feta, kale, Greek dressing, all the delicious things. People can build it however they want. And I can almost guarantee you that next Monday, you'll be seeing leftovers of this because this has a lot of toppings, a lot of things you buy for it. It's really good to eat it for 2 days. And I have pitas that you can even take your Greek bowl and you can scoop it with the pita. You can put it in the middle of the pita, lots of options. But I'm looking forward to this. I'm mostly looking forward, to these 3 days because I'm gonna have a Reuben with potato salad and coleslaw. I'll be one happy lady. But if you want to see the haul where I got fried rice and see what I'm having for this meal, you can check out this video right here. It's a Sam's Club haul, and it includes me buying the fried rice. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.